The larger, 4th generation 2025 X3 benefits from revised exterior design and chassis, tweaked powertrains, and updated infotainment and driver assistance features. Most notably, all-wheel drive is now standard, eliminating the S-Drive trim, and the M50 replaces the previous M40i. The 30X drive's turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is boosted by a 48-volt hybrid system and produces 255 horsepower. The M50 is the real performer, however, as its turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six gets the same hybrid system and produces 393 horsepower. Both use an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. BMW claims a 6.0-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time for the new model. Top speed for the 30X drive is 130 miles per hour. The X-Drive M50 reaches 155 miles per hour when equipped with performance tires. Standard equipment includes new power-adjustable, heated and ventilated sports seats, with 3 available color options for the leatherette upholstery. An additional combination of leatherette and suede, as well as genuine leather, is available. A fabric instrument panel made from recycled polyester is available. The BMW X3 30X drive gets 27 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. The X3 M50 gets 25 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Also available is a new Parking Assistant Professional package, which allows the car to park itself in a predetermined parking space stored in the car's computers, even when you are outside the car. BMW is dropping the I from the model names of its gasoline-powered cars, reserving the letter for use exclusively on its electric vehicles, with the 2025 models known as the X3 30X drive and X3 M50. The 2025 X3's driver assistance systems add a host of new tricks to enhance comfort and safety, including automatic lane change, adaptive cruise control with traffic light recognition, and a parking assistant. BMW's iDrive 9 infotainment system makes its debut in the X3. The system also accepts commands from the touchscreen, steering wheel, and voice commands. A head-up display is optional. BMW Digital Premium lets you stream videos and play games while the car is stationary.